Welcome everyone to MIT's round of the APC Picking Challenge. We will be picking, if you haven't seen it by now, I'd be very surprised, but the contest is the same. We'll be picking 12 items, one from each bin, place them into the red tote. Bonuses are assigned for difficult items. Additional bonuses are assigned for difficult bins that have a lot of material in them. Teams are attempting to score the most by picking, placing, and then recording what happens. I'd like to remind the crowd, please no flash or lighting photography during the entire duration of the run, as this will disrupt the centers. If you have difficulty seeing, there are cameras, TVs set up around the perimeter, and our camera inside will be broadcasting to those. We'll be starting in just a moment. Three, two, one, start.
We are first calibrating the shell. We are now looking at all the bins that have less than 5 items. So that will take a while. I'm going to try to keep you entertained. So we have a planner that sorts all the bins according to expected probability of success. So as we are looking the bins, we have an expectation of how likely we are to succeed in a bin without looking at it. And we also have an expectation of how likely we are to succeed in a bin after looking at it. So right now we have looked at 2 bins, and we already know what we will do in both of them, but we will first look at 6 other bins before deciding what to try first. As you may have seen, we don't have a huge suction cup as of the other teams. We have 2 small suction cups with passive rotation, and this is combined with the gripper. So we can do both grasping, scooping, and suction primitives. We have now established 4 plans for the loop bins and have to look still at 5 bins. The planner to choose which actions to do is a combination of planning and machine learning. We recorded what a human would do in different bins, and using that, our algorithm learns which actions to do. We can also choose multiple step plans, which means taking out an obstacle, putting out in another bin, and then taking out the goal object. We are ready. It will also may be a little bit confusing because since we have seen all the bins, it may look random from the outside, but the robot knows all the bins now and it's storing all the plans, so it may move from bin to bin, choosing the likeliest option at each point. So if we fail, we replan and go immediately to another bin, to the most likely one. We are almost going to start now. We are going to suction side, the bunny book, in bin B. We are going to grasp that water bottle. The plan to suction side, the book failed, and we immediately changed to the water bottle. What's happening now? Grasp successful. We are now going to grasp the bunny book. we are using flash grasp, which puts the spatula on the wall and tries to put the finger between the wall and the object. You got it? The gripper says grasp succeeded. This is a thin object. In case we fail, we have a checking looking at the camera. Next is Expo Dry Eraser Suction Down in Bin J.
Ten minutes remain.
It seems vision may be a little bit dark, and we are attempting between two objects. We suction down the wrong object. Now we will attempt suction down on the wood extension cord in APC. This time vision seems good, and we succeed. For the vision, we use a neural network, as most of the team, to do the segmentation. And then we can segment the point cloud and do ICP to find the probes. We are now going to grasp the pencil cup in bin L. We open the spatulas and we'll try spatula grasp. We prefer grasping with the fingers, but if need be, we use the spatulas. We dropped it from 12 centimeters. We are going to grasp the CP cup. Grasping failed because it's too long of an object. And we are going to suction down the Kleenex paper towels. No, we are not. We are going to suction front the CP cup. The Kleenex paper towels plan is failed now. So we are not going to turn it in. Suction down attempts 5 times, but suction front only attempts once. Since we failed, I think we are going to look at again at the scene. Yes. Good time. The next one is suction down, CP cup. The pose is a little bit more, vision says it's a little bit more within the bin, inside the bin than it actually is. So we are failing the suction down. Okay, we failed. We have 6 minutes. We are going to look again because we recalculate the plan. And decided to create this. We are going to grasp the gloves. And we succeed. But this is a thin object, we may not, yes, but we also detect it. We are now going to look at the bin we haven't looked before. This is a bin with a lot of objects, so we expect it to be fast.
5 minutes remain.
We are going to try suction down on the glucose bottle directly. Even so, plan failed for suction down, we are trying grasping directly. Even though there are objects in front, we detected that they are lower and we could still grasp it. If they had been taller, we may have tried a multi-step plan. We are now looking at a bin with 7 objects. The goal is to stay focused in this card. We will do a recursive algorithm for the planner and with geometry computation. So for we're going to section down the staples index cards. So for bins with a lot of objects, we take a lot of time.
Okay. We're done.